Hi, this is Kevin Rowe with iPlanTables. I want to take a few minutes to introduce you to our Field Commander. The Field Commander is a job site box many of you use every day to put your tools in. We've taken it one step further. It's now a part of your digital workflow. We combine a 49-inch touchscreen monitor, 4K, with industrial grade components such as a washable keyboard and a washable mouse, full-size PC, battery backup, and all the UFGI plug so that you're in compliance on a job site. Extension cord that goes into it is a kick-out model, so if anything gets caught, the cord just simply falls out. No worries, no hassles. With the battery backup, your unit's going to be able to stay on for quite some time to get the cord back, or if you have to move it from floor to floor. Some of our most distinctive differences on our job box is the ability to cool and ventilate the box. Our competitors typically will put a television inside of the box behind a piece of plexiglass, put a printer in it, and call it a data solution. A Field Commander is a complete turnkey solution for iPlanTables. PC, keyboard, mouse, printer, and a 49-inch touchscreen monitor, never a television. By cooling it, you're able to extend the life of your unit, because sometimes someone will forget and leave the monitor on, and when you close this up, it is very warm when it ends up at the end of the day. Hot climates, we have them in Texas, we have them in Florida, we have them in Southern California. All not only require that, but we've even, for one of our very, very good customers that has over 20 of these, we've even air conditioned it for them. If you have an idea or anything that you'd like to add to one of the units, please let us know. In addition, you'll see that we can also PMS color match any of your corporate colors and logos and put them on the box as well. Thank you for taking the time to research our Field Commander.